Here are people from Bournemouth Square heading to the Red Arrows, 20 to 12. A lot of people.
Poignant memorial flight past for the remembering the World War II United States Air Force guys. So that's lovely to see. Followed by then the Rolls-Royce Merlin, Sea Vixen, and of course the favourite, hit the front page of the Daily Echo, the Typhoon.
Yeah, super stuff. That's just during the course of daylight hours. Coming up though very soon, the team you of the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows. Red 1 pulls them up into a loop at 4 times the force. The pilots work hard to maintain that Diamond 9 formation. Red 1 is squadron leader Jim Turner. It's his second year leading the team. He was a wingman with the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007 and was the leader of the Synchro pair. He's a former Jaguar weapons instructor and Jaguar display pilot. The display this year to pass thanks to the Americans and the support they showed in the Second World War on the Eagle squadrons. And now in from the right hand side, this is the Eagle Roll. As they go upside down, boys and girls, give the pilots a wave. The majority of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side and the even-numbered pilots fly on the right-hand side. Red 6 and 7, the Synchro pair, tend to fly directly behind the leader in line astern. On the very bottom of the formation now is Red 4. That's flying. Here is the 70th anniversary of Operation Chastise, which was the famous Dambusters raid carried out by 617 Squadron on the night of the 16th of May 1943. Those brave airmen flew their 19 Lancaster bombers deep into enemy territory, dropped their bouncing bombs and complete their mission. The smoke on now, the team are forming the shape of a Lancaster bomber and coming in from our left-hand side, celebrating 70 years since the Dambusters raids. This is Lancaster. One of our pilots has completed a tour with the famous Dambusters squadron. That's Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson, and he's flying on the leader's left wing now. He's a first-year pilot with the Red Arrows, and he completed his first tour in the Royal Air Force, flying with 617 Squadron. We're 6 feet apart as they fly the Apollo roll. Let's have another big wave, boys and girls. On the leader's right wing now is another of our first-year pilots. That's Red 2 Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie's another former Tornado GR4 pilot, and he's spent a tour.